Ever wonder why smart traders always seem to know exactly where the price will reverse? The secret is something called an order block, and it could change how you trade forever. In this quick tutorial, you'll learn what an order block is, how to spot it, and how traders use it to predict price movements, all in simple, easy-to-understand terms. An order block is basically a price zone where big institutions like banks place their orders. These zones act like invisible magnets. Price often reacts strongly when it returns to them. You can spot an order block by looking for strong bullish or bearish candles followed by consolidation. For example, if price shoots up strongly from a zone and then pulls back, that zone becomes an order block, a potential area for your next trade. Traders use order blocks to predict where price might reverse or continue. For instance, if a bullish order block holds, you might enter a long trade with confidence, knowing institutions have already shown interest there. If you want more simple trading tutorials like this, hit like, subscribe, and comment order block below, so I know you want more content. Start spotting order blocks and take your trading to the next level.